I was just absolutely floored with high-tech deck. Just looking at the material speaks for itself, but Robert actually knew about my medical child story. Lo and behold, I went there and he had that engraved into the decking and the floor. It was a truly heartfelt moment, and I was busting out in tears with high-tech deck. That did this engraving, Fight Dylan Fight. He puts his heart and soul into his work. The quality is just outstanding. I'm sorry I'm choking up, but this is truly amazing. My son was diagnosed at 6 years old with leukemia. He's now in remission. They lost his airway. He suffered a 22-minute cardiac arrest. Today he's in remission. Thank God, he's truly a miracle child. Whenever I need to lean down to get any of one of my storage compartments, I simply can lean down without hurting myself onto the deck, simply picking it up, opening up one of the storage compartments. When I met Robert, he was a stand-up guy, and he took his time out to really explain the material and how this process works, how the installation goes, how the actual material actually gets made. Put it together, sent me a proof online, emailed it to me. I was like totally amazed. And then when we came up with the design and the color scheme, I had the notion of, I wanted to kind of drown out the white reflecting light off of the gunnel walls, so I went with the darker color and then lighter color on the main decking. If I need to throw down a pair of pliers or while I'm rigging, you can put it here without it slipping off the anti-skid. I wanted to be able to lean up here safely without busting my knees or kneeling down safely. Being out there in the water tomorrow is going to be our first debut of being out in the ocean. My dad's coming up, my brother-in-law, we've all been through this, and there's probably going to be some 3 grown men crying out there a few times. The experience with high-tech deck was phenomenal.